English Advanced Vocabulary. Tussle. Tussle. A short fight or struggle.
The two boys had a tussle in the playground.
Raffle. Raffle. A game where people buy tickets to win a prize.
She bought a ticket for the school raffle.
Capitulate. Capitulate. To give up, to accept defeat.
The army finally capitulated after a long battle.
Multitude. Multitude. A large number of people or things.
A multitude of people came to see the concert.
Preside. Preside. To be in charge of a meeting or event.
The principal will preside over the graduation ceremony.
Splendid. Splendid. Very good, beautiful, or impressive.
The fireworks show was absolutely splendid.
Offspring. Offspring. A person's child or an animal's young.
The lion protects its offspring carefully.
Collude. Collude. To secretly work with others to do something wrong. The two companies colluded to fix prices. Solitude. Solitude. The state of being alone, often peaceful.
He enjoys the solitude of the mountains.
Comrade. Comrade. A friend or companion, especially in a group with shared goals.
He has been my loyal comrade in every project.
Homicide. Homicide. The act of killing a person.
The police investigated the homicide in the city.
Deride. Deride. To laugh at or make fun of someone in a cruel way.
The students derided the new idea.
Brat. Brat. A child who behaves badly or is spoiled.
The little brat threw a tantrum in the store.
Hoax. Hoax. A trick or false story meant to fool people.
The news about aliens was a hoax.
Benevolent. Benevolent. Kind, generous, helpful.
The benevolent man donated money to the poor.
All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed these new words and that you can use them in your daily sentences. Learning new vocabulary helps make your English stronger. If you found this video useful, please give it a like so more people can see it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss the next videos. Thanks for staying with me until the end of the video.